Hi, students. Welcome back. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. Give yourself a little smile because you're practicing English right now. Great job.
Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel. Thank you for joining us today. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy our conversation. Learning English can be fun.
Today's topic is one of my favorites. We're going to talk about our favorite memories in English. Memories are so special, aren't they?
Oh, yes. Some memories make us laugh, and some make us feel warm and happy. Sometimes, even small moments become our favorite memories.
Before we start, students, let's practice together. Repeat after us. My favorite memory is very special to me.
Once again, my favorite memory is very special to me.
Perfect. Nice and easy.
Emily, what's the first happy memory that comes to your mind?
That's a difficult question because I have so many happy memories. But one of my favorites is baking cookies with my grandmother every Sunday afternoon.
Ah, that sounds lovely. Did you bake together every Sunday?
Yes, we did. We spent hours in the kitchen together. She taught me how to mix the ingredients and decorate the cookies. I still remember the wonderful smell in her kitchen.
Students, that's a very useful sentence. Repeat with us. I still remember that day.
Again, nice and slowly. I still remember that day.
Excellent. You'll use this sentence many times when talking about memories.
Daniel, what about you? What's one of your favorite memories?
I think my favorite memory is riding my bicycle with my childhood friends after school. We played outside almost every day.
Oh, I love childhood memories. How old were you?
I was about 10 years old. I wasn't very good at riding my bicycle at first. I fell down many times.
Really? Did your friends help you?
Yes, they did. They laughed a lot, but they always helped me. We had so much fun together.
Students, let's learn another useful sentence. Repeat after us. I had so much fun.
One more time. I had so much fun.
Wonderful! That's one of the most natural expressions when talking about happy memories.
Emily, do you think memories have to be big or exciting?
Not at all. That's something I really want our students to remember. Your favorite memory doesn't need to be expensive or exciting.
Exactly. Sometimes it's simply drinking tea with your family or watching a movie with your friends.
Or eating your favorite food on a rainy day. Now I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Food is part of many happy memories.
Students, repeat this sentence with us. Simple moments can become beautiful memories.
Again, please. Simple moments can become beautiful memories.
Very nice. Keep speaking with us. Don't be shy.
Emily, do smells ever bring back your memories?
Oh, absolutely. The smell of fresh cookies always reminds me of my grandmother's kitchen.
That's a great expression for today's topic. Bring back memories.
Students, repeat with us. This song brings back memories.
Again, this song brings back memories.
Perfect. You can also say, this picture brings back memories, or this place brings back memories.
Speaking of pictures, I love looking at old photos from my childhood.
Me too. Sometimes I spend 30 minutes looking at old family photos on my phone.
Only 30 minutes? I can spend an entire hour doing that.
You're better at remembering the past than I am.
Do you have a favorite childhood photograph?
Yes, there's a picture of me wearing a funny hat at my birthday party when I was 7 years old.
Did you like the hat?
No, that's the funny part. My parents loved it, but I wanted to take it off immediately.
Parents always take funny pictures when we're children.
Students, let's practice another sentence together. When I was a child, I loved. Pause and finish the sentence yourself.
For example, when I was a child, I loved playing soccer.
Or, when I was a child, I loved watching cartoons.
Very easy and very useful.
Daniel, what was your favorite thing to do after school?
Oh, that's easy. I loved playing outside with my neighbors until sunset. We played games, laughed together, and shared snacks.
That sounds like a beautiful memory.
It really is. Whenever I think about it, I smile immediately.
Students, let's repeat one last sentence before we finish today's part. My childhood was full of happy memories.
Again, my childhood was full of happy memories.
Amazing! You're doing a wonderful job today.
Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, enjoy speaking English with us.
We're so happy you're still listening with us. You're doing an amazing job practicing your English today.
Yes, every minute you spend listening to English helps you become more confident. So let's continue talking about our favorite memories.
Daniel, let's talk about school memories. Do you remember your very first day at school?
Oh, I remember it very well. I was excited and nervous at the same time. I had a brand new backpack, and honestly, I couldn't stop smiling.
Ha! Did you make any friends on your first day?
Not immediately. I was a little shy. I sat quietly and looked around the classroom. But after lunch, another student came and asked me to play with him.
That's such a nice memory. Sometimes one small moment can change everything.
Exactly. We became good friends for many years.
Students, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I was excited and nervous.
Once again, I was excited and nervous.
Perfect. You'll hear native speakers use this expression all the time.
Emily, what about your first day at school?
Aha! Mine was very different. I cried for almost 20 minutes because I wanted to stay with my mother.
Really? That's adorable.
Yes, I thought school was going to be scary, but after meeting my teacher and classmates, I didn't want to go home.
Funny how quickly things can change.
That's true. Sometimes we worry too much about new experiences.
Students, here's another useful sentence. Repeat with us. At first, I was nervous.
And now say, but later I enjoyed it.
Great job. Those two sentences are perfect when talking about memories.
Do you have a favorite teacher from school, Daniel?
Oh, definitely. My English teacher was wonderful. She always encouraged me to speak, even when I made mistakes.
That's so important when learning a language.
She always said, making mistakes means you're learning.
I love that. Students, please remember that. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're learning something new, and that's something to be proud of.
Emily, who was your favorite teacher?
My science teacher. She made every class interesting and fun. She even brought small experiments to class sometimes.
That sounds exciting. Did she inspire you?
Absolutely. She taught me to stay curious and ask questions.
Students, let's repeat a useful phrase together. My teacher inspired me.
Again, my teacher inspired me.
Very nice. Don't worry if inspired feels like a new word. You'll hear it often in English conversations.
Now let's talk about vacations. I love talking about vacations. They always bring back happy memories.
Me too. Do you prefer relaxing vacations or exciting adventures?
I prefer relaxing vacations. I enjoy quiet places, beautiful views, and delicious food.
Food is always important to Emily.
Of course, food creates beautiful memories.
Students, repeat after us. My favorite vacation was unforgettable.
One more time. My favorite vacation was unforgettable.
Emily, tell us about one of your favorite vacations.
A few years ago, I visited a small town near the mountains. Every morning, I walked outside with a cup of coffee and enjoyed the fresh air.
That sounds peaceful.
It really was. There weren't many tourists, and everyone was so friendly. Sometimes the best places are the quietest ones.
I completely agree. My favorite vacation was a family trip to the beach.
Oh, what did you do there?
We played volleyball, ate ice cream, watched the sunset, and took lots of funny pictures together.
Watching the sunset is one of my favorite things to do during a vacation.
Mine too. There's something special about ending the day by watching the sky change colors.
Students, let's practice another sentence together. We watched the sunset together.
Again, we watched the sunset together.
Excellent. Keep repeating with us whenever you can.
Emily, do you collect souvenirs when you travel?
Yes, I love buying postcards and small magnets. They remind me of the places I visited.
Me too. Every time I look at my souvenirs, they bring back memories.
There it is again. Bring back memories. Such a useful expression.
Students, let's say it together. This picture brings back memories.
And another one, this place brings back memories.
Wonderful. You're sounding more natural already.
Speaking of funny memories, have you ever experienced something embarrassing during a vacation?
Yes, I have. One time I ordered extremely spicy food because I thought it looked delicious.
And what happened?
I drank 3 glasses of water in less than 2 minutes. My entire face became red.
That's hilarious. Everyone at the restaurant laughed, including me. It was embarrassing at the time, but now it's one of my favorite memories.
Funny memories are often the best memories. What about you?
Well, one time I accidentally entered the wrong hotel room during a vacation.
No way!
Yes, I thought it was my room. I opened the door and immediately saw another family watching television.
What did you do?
I apologized about 10 times and ran away as quickly as possible.
That's something you'll never forget.
Definitely not.
Students, here's an important lesson. Sometimes the memories that make us laugh are the ones we treasure most.
Exactly. Life doesn't have to be perfect to become memorable.
Before we finish today's part, let's practice 3 useful sentences together.
Repeat after us. My favorite memory makes me smile.
Again, my favorite memory makes me smile.
Next one. I will always remember that day.
And finally, simple moments become beautiful memories.
Fantastic work today, students. You're learning so many useful expressions naturally. If you've listened to all from the start, you're doing something wonderful for your English. Keep going.
Yes, learning English doesn't have to feel difficult. Sometimes it's as simple as listening, repeating, and enjoying a friendly conversation.
Now, let's talk about family memories. Daniel, when you think about your family, what memory makes you smile immediately?
Oh, that's an easy one. Our family dinners. Every weekend, we sit together, eat delicious food, and talk about our week. Those simple moments mean so much to me.
I love that. Family dinners create beautiful memories. What kind of food do you usually eat together?
We eat homemade food most of the time. My mother makes amazing soup, and my father always tells funny stories. Sometimes we laugh so much that dinner becomes twice as long.
That sounds wonderful. Students, let's repeat together. My family makes me happy.
Once again, my family makes me happy.
Very nice. Simple English is powerful English.
Emily, what about your favorite family memory?
One of my favorites is celebrating birthdays together. My family loves planning small surprises. Nothing expensive, just lots of smiles, good food, and warm conversations.
That's lovely. Do you have a favorite birthday memory?
Yes. One year, my family organized a picnic in the park for my birthday. We played games, took pictures, and watched the sunset together. It was one of the happiest days of my life.
Students, let's practice another useful sentence. My birthday was unforgettable.
Again, my birthday was unforgettable.
Excellent.
Do you enjoy birthday parties, Daniel?
I do, but I prefer small celebrations. Too many people make me a little nervous. Maybe I'm just shy sometimes.
That's completely okay. Everyone enjoys celebrations differently.
Exactly. Some people love big parties, and some prefer spending time with their closest friends and family.
Students, here's a useful expression. I prefer small celebrations.
Or you can say, I enjoy spending time with my family.
Perfect. You're building your English naturally while talking about real life.
Now let's talk about future memories. Have you ever thought about the memories you want to create someday?
Oh, I love this question. Sometimes we spend so much time remembering the past that we forget to create new memories.
That's so true.
One day, I'd love to travel to a beautiful place I've never visited before. I want to watch the sunrise, take a few pictures, and simply enjoy the moment.
That sounds amazing. I want to travel with my family someday and visit different countries together.
Students, let's practice together. One day, I want to travel.
Again, one day I want to travel.
And another useful sentence. I want to create beautiful memories.
Excellent. Notice how easy and natural these sentences are.
Daniel, what's one thing you'd like to do this year that could become a happy memory?
I'd like to learn something new, maybe cooking or photography. I think learning new skills creates wonderful memories.
I agree. Sometimes trying something new becomes our favorite story later.
Exactly. Even making mistakes can become happy memories.
Like wearing two different shoes to work?
Please don't remind everyone about that, Emily.
Sorry. But honestly, funny memories are often our favorites.
You're right. Life would be boring without funny moments.
Students, remember this. Not every memory needs to be perfect. Some of the best memories begin with small mistakes.
Very true.
Let's practice one more sentence together. My favorite memories make me smile.
Again, my favorite memories make me smile.
Wonderful. You're doing an excellent job today.
Before we finish, let's remember some of the useful expressions we practiced together.
You can say, I still remember that day.
You can also say, I had so much fun.
Or, this song brings back memories.
Or, my childhood was full of happy memories.
My favorite memory makes me smile.
And finally, I want to create beautiful memories.
See? Talking about memories in English can be simple, natural, and enjoyable.
Today, we talked about childhood memories, school memories, vacations, birthdays, family traditions, and even our future dreams.
We also learned something very important. Beautiful memories don't have to be expensive or extraordinary.
Sometimes it's simply drinking coffee on a rainy morning,
Or laughing with your friends after school.
or spending time with your family on a quiet weekend.
Or listening to an old song that brings back happy memories.
And maybe, just maybe, one of your happy memories will be learning English with us.
We certainly hope so.
Students, thank you so much for listening and repeating with us today. We're really proud of the time and effort you're putting into improving your English.
Keep listening every day, speak without fear, and remember that making mistakes is part of learning.
Now, we'd love to hear from you.
Please answer today's question in the comments.
What is your favorite memory, and why is it special to you?
Write your answer in simple English. Even 1 or 2 sentences are perfect.
And if you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more easy and natural English practice.
Keep smiling, keep speaking English, and keep creating beautiful memories every single day.
Take care, everyone. We'll see you in our next English conversation.
Goodbye, students.
Goodbye and happy English learning.